eThekwini municipality, we have delivered over 85,000 urine diversion toilets to largely rural communities. The urine diversion toilets diverts the urine into a soakaway. It's not been utilized in any way. It provided an ideal opportunity for us to collect urine for research purposes. The VUNA project, which is a Bill and Melinda Gates funded research project into nutrient recovery from urine, was started in early 2011.
Yeah, in the VUNA project we actually try to produce fertilizer from urine. We have three main objectives. One is to provide good sanitation to people, make it more attractive to use a toilet. Then another objective we have is to produce a valuable product out of what would actually be considered as waste. And the third one is that we want to protect the environment, so if there's excessive nutrients going into the environment, we have to prevent that and cut that off.
In 2010, a collaboration comprising of researchers all over the world began. This collaboration consisted of the Swiss Federal Institute of Aquatic Science and Technology, the University of KwaZulu-Natal, as well as members from eThekwini Water and Sanitation. The scope of the VUNA project detailed research into three major areas, namely reactor technology. This involved researching into the different technology processes that can be used to recover nutrients from urine. The second research area was network management, an investigation into the transportation costs. The third major topic was socio-economic boundaries. This goes into research into the health and hygiene aspect of urine collection as well as the end product use.
My name is Sarah Roden. I'm the project engineer for the VUNA project, operating the treatment units here in Durban, South Africa. It is important to field test these technologies because they are aimed at being implemented in a real-world setting. One of the reasons that we are working with urine is because it is a concentrated stream that contains most of the nutrients that is found in a domestic sanitation system. So by working with this concentrated stream, we're in a better position to potentially recover and recycle those nutrients which are valuable as fertilizers. In this project, we're focusing on two treatment processes to recover nutrients from the urine. One of them aims at recovering the phosphorus. The other aims at recovering all of the nutrients that are initially present in the urine. The one that aims at recovering the phosphorus is a chemical process to create a mineral called struvite, which is comprised of magnesium, ammonium, and phosphate. That is a solid, phosphate-rich fertilizer that can be stored long-term and used in agricultural settings when it's needed. The second process to recover nutrients that we're evaluating is a biological process, followed by distillation. In that process, we use microorganisms to biologically convert the ammonia nitrogen into nitrate nitrogen. We're interested in changing the species of nitrogen because ammonia is toxic to fish and so is not suitable for discharge to the environment. So in the biological process, the microorganisms that perform the service of converting the ammonia nitrogen to nitrate nitrogen are nitrifiers, and they are slow growing. So in order to cultivate the right consortia of bacteria to perform nitrification, we provide them with a surface area onto which a biofilm can grow. So inside of the reactor, we have several small plastic carriers that look like pasta wheels onto which the bacteria can attach and grow. Once the urine has been nitrified, that liquid, the effluent from this process unit, then is being directed into a vacuum distiller. Overall, we are generating a liquid fertilizer with complete nutrients that were initially present in the urine. And then in the distiller, we will reduce the volume down over 90% so that we have a concentrated liquid fertilizer.
The Swiss Federal Institute of Aquatic Science and Technology are the lead researchers.
And WUNA is an interesting collaboration between different people. On one side we have researchers and we have on the other side practitioners. They try to work together, so we not only develop technologies in the lab, but we also take them to the field and make them work in the field. We have people in Switzerland and we have people in South Africa, and that gives a good combination of different knowledge, different expertise, and to match up in this project.
This facility here at the Newlands Field Research Site has been provided for by the municipality. The equipment in this particular research container has been provided by the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation. These facilities are available then to researchers to further research sanitation systems, recovery of nutrients, and also on this site application of sanitation-derived fertilized products.